Alright, so this is the video for December 11th, 2014, Euro dollar 5 minutes chart, and again I'm still trading short due to the long-term trend that is down. But this morning, that morning back then, I'm pretty happy because finally we have a short-term trend too, so I can be with a short-term trend. It's always easier because in the other videos I've been fighting the short-term trends, trying to go short in uptrends, because I guess that has been a pretty strong uptrends on the shorter term time frames. But anyways, so alright, so it starts here, I guess. Boom, like that's a pretty good leg. Pulls back, get a second one, and here breaks below both the orange line is a 200 EMA and the black is a 20 EMA. So broke below both of them, pulls back, didn't reach it. I would have shorted here. It's 8:30, so yeah, I'm usually in the office around here. It didn't reach it. I guess I could have shorted based on the fact it broke above this mini consolidation, but I didn't. So then it breaks down again. I'm like, okay, now I'm going in. I'm shorting this thing around the top of that bar, which I do. So it just goes a couple pips against me, and did I take 10 on that? I realize as I'm doing these videos that I often don't take the 10 pips I did here. No, I took 9. I'm realizing now when I'm doing this video, doing this reviews, I'm realizing, man, I often get nervous, you know, and most of the time I don't take the 10, and I would have gotten the 10, so even more. Often I would get a lot more. Anyway, so that's 9 pips. 34 to 25. In retrospect, when I'm with the short-term time frame, I should even try to stay in a little bit longer, but kind of like having some concrete rules. There's enough subjectivity in trading, I guess, so I like to basically add some concrete stuff to it. Alright, so it keeps going down, then the downtrend slows down a little bit, and it's starting to bottom out, and this, I don't know, I just like to enter at the EMA, but I have to say I didn't like it so much. I entered it anyways, but because it was EMA plus it was that mini range, but that really looked like it was bottoming, you know, so I don't know if there was any, there may have even been a resistance, support on a bigger time frame, I don't know. But I come in here, I'm like, alright, let's give it a try. 87, obviously it doesn't work out right away. I add as usual 97. Goes another, this one goes another 10 pips around me, yeah, against me, but I got my stop typical. I don't actually have a stop, physical stop in the market, but my mental stop would be around here somewhere, right after the last leg. I use pretty wide stops. I used to trade with small stops, and it didn't work out for me. Too many losses, and it just psychologically it's hard when you start taking two losses in a row to just stay happy and and perform is really hard. So I'd rather use less position sizing. I'm always using smaller position. Not 1,000 obviously, but still pretty small position. And I prefer to. It's just I prefer a high win rate, and then short stops. I tried them for a while, especially when I was trading futures. Futures you have to have a short stop unless you're really rich, because there's just so much leverage, you know. So anyways, I get in, goes against me, I get in again, still goes against me, but I'm feeling okay at this point here. Either I'll add one more time if it really gets to the EMA, or in the worst case I'm out around here. It's not the end of the world. I've had like 5-6 winning days in a row. That would not hurt me that bad. But luckily it just starts coming back. We're looking at the long-term trend is down, and the short-term even we're still like down in this thing here. This is a pretty strong trend. So anyway, so it turns out I get out for plus 10 on the second, plus 0 on the first, and basically that's 10 ticks. So we got 9, we got 10, that's 19. Pretty good day. Then it keeps going down again. I'm not going through. There really wasn't these mini bars. I guess it was getting late and it was getting slower, and so I just stopped trading. I guess I was happy. Again, usually when I got about 10, 20 pips, I'm usually pretty happy. So, all right, guess that's it for the day. Yeah, getting there. Today's the 17th. I'm still catching up. That was the 11th, so I guess a few more trading days and I'll be up to date.